guys! Welcome back to Joy Kitchen. Tonight, I will preparing Nilagang Manok with Malungay. Manok means chicken. So these are all my ingredients. Chicken, ginger root, lemongrass, green onions, papaya, and of course, malunggay. So since the water's been boiling, I have to put the ginger root, then the lemongrass, and papaya. Then I will put the chicken as well. Use medium. Okay, it's been cooking 15 minutes now. I have to put my malunggay. And green onions. Then I'm using this instead of salt. Okay, I'm using these chicken cubes instead of salt. Two chicken cubes. Okay, I have to boil another 3 minutes. Now it's been cooking for 3 minutes. Now I have to stir it. So this is a nilagang manok. So you can call either nilagang manok or chicken soup with malunggay. Malunggay is a leafy green vegetables. and it's good for you guys. It reduce blood pressure and cholesterol. There's so many benefits on these vegetables. Good for your health. Okay, I have to turn it off now. Hi guys, this is a short video because it's only a nilagang manok, which is chicken soup. The ingredients, it's in the description below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful evening. See you next time. Bye.